everyone, I am Dr. Karuna Babbar. Welcome to my K-series cybersecurity lecture notes. In this series, I will cover computer networks, basics of computer networks, what are computer networks, what are the requirements to establish a computer network, how two nodes communicate with each other, then the protocols we generally use in computer networks, and what are the attacks which can be done on these particular protocols. Thereafter, I will cover ethical hacking, the topic of ethical hacking. In ethical hacking, how you can become a certified ethical hacker, what are the responsibilities of an ethical hacker, why there is a need of an ethical hacker in today's scenario. Thereafter, I will cover penetration testing, the phases of penetration testing, how we can penetrate into the computer, how we can penetrate into any organization's information security, and what are the vulnerabilities which we must check on, how a certification can be obtained for a penetration tester. For all these testings and all these certifications, we need Kali Linux. Kali Linux is basically providing us all the tools. In Kali Linux, we have more than 600 cybersecurity tools so as to check the vulnerabilities, to scan the systems for the vulnerabilities. We have Nessus, we have Metasploit framework, OWASP is also there. Then we can inject our scripts, we can inject our queries through SQL injections in SQL maps. We have SQL maps in Kali Linux wherein we can inject our SQL query into the database so as to check the vulnerabilities of that particular website. How to install Kali Linux on your operating system, whether you are working in Windows or in Mac or in Linux. And thereafter, I will cover the lab sessions for cybersecurity vulnerabilities, for cybersecurity attacks, and this will going to help you in a greater way to understand the concepts of cybersecurity as well as how to become a certified ethical hacker. Do watch my videos. It will going to help you in a greater way.